So, good morning. I'm back. So, we are now on lesson number 3, the union and intersection of sets and the difference of two sets of module number 1 of week 1. So, operations of sets. So, similar to real numbers, there are also operations in sets. So, in real numbers, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. In operation of sets, it is somewhat like that. So, there are three operations. We have the union of set, the intersection of sets, rather, and the difference of sets. So, union of sets. Union has the symbol small u. It is almost similar to the universal set with the symbol capital U, but the difference is it is in small letter. It is the set containing all elements that are in A or in B. So, I'll be giving an example later. So, when you say union, you are going to combine all the elements of A and all the elements of B. But you have to take note there must be no repetition of elements. Next, intersection. When you say intersection, it has the symbol inverted U, the set that contains of all elements that are both in A and B. In other words, when you say intersection, the common elements between set A and set B. So, next, the difference has the symbol minus. So, the difference of two sets is the set of elements in A that are not in B. Again, it is an element that could be found in A but not in B. So, I'll be giving an example. So, the union of sets first. By definition, the union of sets A and B, written as A union B, is the set of elements that are members of A or members of B or members of both A and B. So, again, when you say union, you are going to unite all the elements of the set. So, example. So, if A is equal to, or if A has the elements of 1, 2, and 3, and B has the elements of 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6, if you are going to combine this one, the elements would be like this. So, A union B is equal to, the elements are 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, let us combine this one. So, we will have 1, 2, 3. What's next? Combine. So, 1, 2 is repeated. Meron ng 1 dito, meron ng 2 dyan. So, ang natitira na lang 4, 5, 6. So, 4, 5, 6. And it is now the A union B. You are just going to combine the elements of A and B. So, the answer is 1, 2, 3, this one, and 4, 5, 6. So, what happened to 1 and 2? 1 and 2 has been repeated here, so therefore, you are not going to write it down. Okay, next. Another example, the set A contains A, B, C, D, and E, and B is A, E, I, O, U. Now, we are going to combine this one. So, the answer would be, what do you think? I'm sorry. So, the answer would be, we have A, cancelled. We have B, C, D, E, cancelled. Next, I, O, U. A, B, C, D, E, I, O, U. So, that is now the answer. A, B, C, D, E, I, O, U. What happened to A? It's here. It's been repeated. Next. Intersection of sets. When you say intersection of sets, you are going to identify the common elements that could be found on A and B. Again, we are going to identify the common elements. Example. So, we have intersection of set A and set B. So, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. What are the common elements between A and B? We have 1, 2, 1, 2. No 3, so therefore no 4 and no 5 and no 6. So 1, 2 are the common elements. So the answer there is 1 and 2. So you are going to write A intersection B. Next, another example is if A is equal to the set of A, B, C, D, E, and B is equal to the elements A, E, I, O, U. It's repeated. Next, the difference of set. The difference of set A and B written as A minus B is a set of elements in A that are not in B. So, ano pong ibig sabihin yan? Nasa A but not in B. So, let's do an example. So, A has the elements 1, 2, 3. B has the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, we are going to find A minus B, or the difference between A and B. Now, what comes first? Is it A or B? The answer is A. Therefore, we will focus our answer on set A. 1, 2, and 3. So, we have 1, 2 here, cancelled. What remained in A is 3. And that is now the answer. Got it? Again. What comes first? It's A minus B. So, A comes first. So, focus your eyes on set A. Now, cancel all the elements that can be found in B. So, we have 1 cancelled, 2 cancelled, no 3, no 4, no 5, no 6. So, what remained is 3. So, that is now the answer. What about, on the other hand, B minus A? What comes first? It's B. So, let's focus ourselves in letter B. So, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 1 cancelled, we have 2 cancelled. So, what remained is 4, 5, and 6. So, the answer there is 4, 5, and 6. So, another example. We have A, B, C, D, E, and A, E, I, O, U. So, A minus B. Focus on A because A comes first. A cancelled. B, C, D. So, the answer is B, C, D, and B, C, D only. So, let's see. The answer is B, C, D. Next, what about B minus A? So, what comes first? It's B. So, we will focus on B. A, E, I, O, U. A cancelled. E cancelled. What remained is I, O, and U. So, therefore, I, O, and U is the answer. So, proceed now to the next activity. Thank you.